Mlaen a trediad James Waite. Waite yn erbyn Thomas, 3 yn disgwyl am groesiad. Waite ydi curo fe'n rhwydd, ac yna tu fewn ac yna'n taro'r bar. Mae Cyn Owen y capten. Sgiliau hyfryd, James Waite yn y cornel yn curo yr amddiffynwr Thomas, ac yna'n i thynnydd i nôl at Cyn Owen y capten, ond i ergyd nerthol trod chwith yn taro'r bar. Owen mewn i drad Wood. Wood yn chwilio am yr hediad gan Waite. Waite i mewn, cyfle fan hyn, cyfle eiraidd, y gorau'r gêm. Lewis Harling yn chwilio am yr hediad gan Nathan Wood, a tu ôl iddo fe mae Cyn Owen. Owen tu ôl yr amddiffynwr. Owen yn ei thynnydd i nôl ac Aman, ac yna mae'n cael ei gosod y Nathan Wood, sy'n taro Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. 10 munud a hanner wedi chwarae yn yr ail hanner. Yr ymwelwyr yn heiddiannol ar y blaen. Cambrian a Clydach dim. Pen-y-bont 1. Oedd hi mor bwysig y gôl gyntaf yn y gêm. Peniad nôl fan hyn gan Jeffries. Camgymeriad y Millicwr Cosby ar gyd gwych. Ychydig dros y bar gan Dai Thomas. Gwych ganddo fe i'w chadw i lawr. A braich fe Rhys Wilson yn cadw Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. Wood, Harling yn troi'r amddiffynwr ar draws wyneb y gôl. Ac mae mewn. Sam Snaith sydd yn hawlio'r gôl. Chydig dros awr wedi chwarae yma yn Cambrian. Y tîm cartre dim, Pen-y-bont 2. Cyn Owen yn hir. Clark yn disgwyl y bêl. Sam Snaith. Bu bron iddo fe cyrraedd na. Dyma Nathan Wood. A Wood yn ychwanegu'r drydydd. Tair gôl mewn 7 munud yma. Y bêl dros yr amddiffyn. Llyged Cameron Clark ar Sam Snaith. Y bêl yn rhydd a Nathan Wood yn rhwydo ei ail o'r noson. A mae Pen-y-bont nawr yn saff. Bêl yn rhydd i Cambrian. Yn yr amser sydd wedi cael ei ganiatáu am anafiadau ar ddiwedd y gêm. Wilcox sydd yn croesi, mae'n groesiad da! Mae'n curo pawb! Ac mae'n gôl i rwyd i hun. Croesiad hyfryd gan Wilcox yn curo pawb ac yn taro Ryan Reynolds ar y ffordd i'r rwyd. Cambrian y Clydach 1, Pen-y-bont 2.
I thought Cambrian worked really hard to try and stop us, and I know they got a couple of players out, which is tough for them, as have we, but obviously it's harder when you're playing perhaps at a lower level to cope with those kind of injuries. So yeah, I thought they put up a valiant effort, but I thought in the end the quality shone through. First half I thought we deserved to be up and was frustrated that we weren't, and was worried they were going to nick one. And then second half I thought the goals came timely for us, and probably could have had a couple more really.
They're a good side. Obviously we set out to try and sort of spoil them and sit in that mid-block and frustrate them, and I think we certainly did. And like you say, the first goal was always going to be crucial, but really disappointed then the way sort of the next 8 minutes went, you know, sort of killed the game off. But no, we've got to start learning, because this is, you know, we're doing this sort of frequent, week in, week out at the moment, conceding sloppy goals. But hopefully we'll learn and we'll kick on in the league now, and you know, go on and hopefully have a successful season.
Cyn Owen and Nathan Wood at the centre of everything. 2 for Nathan Wood tonight, and the combination play between the two was excellent.
Yeah, I think, look, Nathan's a huge talent. I've said it so many times. I think he'd get in any squad in the league, possibly even any 11 in the league, certainly on his day. So yeah, Nathan's a huge talent. But to be quite honest with you, since I've been here, Kane combines well with everybody in front of him. We had Owen Waller with us for a few years, and Owen was outstanding, and him and Kane linked up brilliantly together. He's that type of player. If you don't want the ball, do not play in front of Kane.